Четвертый класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, веселье в школе. Страница 96-97. English, spotlight for homework. Fun at school, page number 96-97. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I am glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I am very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96, 96. Exercise number 1. What did they do last Saturday? Copy the table in your notebooks. Listen and tick. Then say. Что они делали в прошлую субботу? Перерисуй таблицу в тетрадь. Послушай аудиозапись и отметь галочкой, а потом скажи. Hello there, everyone. How are you all? You didn't come to visit me last Saturday. What did you do, Larry? Well, Uncle Harry, last Saturday I played soccer and then I visited a friend from school. I didn't have time to visit you. What about you, Lulu? What did you do? I watched a really nice film at the cinema. And after that I painted a picture for my art homework. Oh, I see, Pekka. What did you do? I visited a friend. He's in hospital, so I went to see him. And after that, I listened to some music in my room. So you had a busy day too. And what did you do, Maya? I watched a film too, but not at the cinema. It was a video. And then I listened to some music with Pekka. He's got some new CDs. Well, I'm glad you all had a nice Saturday. Let's all go to the fun fair next Saturday. Oh, yes. The answer. Lulu, watch a film, paint a picture. Pekka, visit a friend, listen to music. Maya, watch a film, listen to music. Last Saturday, Lulu watched a film and then painted a picture. Last Saturday, Pekka visited a friend and then listened to music. Last Saturday, Maya watched a film and then listened to music. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing along. Oh, what a mystery! Спой песенку. Oh, what a mystery! The mouse studied history. The kangaroo climbed up a tree. The elephant played the saxophone. And the bumblebee dived in the sea. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 97, 97. Fun at school. A year to remember. Exercise number 3. Match the events to the year. Соотнесите события и даты. Events. What war? Revolution. Land. Moon. The answer. 1492. Columbus discovers America. 1666. The Great Fire of London. 1789. The start of the French Revolution. 1914. World War I begins. 1969. The first man lands on the moon. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Choose one of the events. Design the front page of a newspaper. Выберите одно из событий, сделайте макет первой страницы газеты. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. What are the important dates in your country's history? Write 5 of them and say why. Какие важные даты в истории своей страны ты знаешь? Напиши 5 дат и скажи, чем они знамениты. The answer. 1480. Battle of Kulikovo. 1812. Battle of Borodino. 1861. The abolition of sewage. 1945. Victory Day. 1961. The first man, Yuri Gagarin, flew to space. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once.